Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Follow along as I reveal the secrets of the hair comb and create super amazing woolen flower easily. In this easy to follow tutorial, I will guide you through the step-by-step process on how to make woolen flower using hair comb. As you have seen, I counted out 8 teeth from the comb and wrap wool around their 8 lines. Attach needle at the section of the wool and wrap the middle around twice. Sew to secure it. Now pull the woolen design out from the comb, then sew to form round shape. Attach thread beads right at the middle of the woolen design. Make the little pieces 5 and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. At this point, sew in a sizable bead at the center to make the flower seamless and more beautiful. I believe you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching.